You guys missed it. Every time I was on camera, she did it. Jazzy. Jazzy. Girl. And why you lazy? Salem? Why are you lazy? Your girlfriend's active. Why are you lazy? Just kill the intro. Okay, you sure? Oh, yeah. I'm sure kill the intro. Welcome to Kevin and Jazzy Show. Hey guys, wow, look at here. No snow. Sorry about the thing. Yeah, it's no snow. That's so weird. Oop. How's the weather like at your neck of the woods? Is it no snow either? Wow. It's a little warm out. Yeah. How was your guys' day today anyways? Ours is good. Just relaxing, waiting for the UPS truck to come again. Why you say you waiting for UPS truck? Well, like I said, I got into a new phone, and the Sprint Tech said I got a used battery, so he ordered me a new one, and it's supposed to be here today, and it's not. So I'm looking, and I make coffee. So coffee rocks. Lazy kitties. So, anyways, this is gonna be weird because this is my 719th vlog, and yesterday was that girl's birthday, and she had fun, didn't you? Yes, she did. She did. Yay. Yeah, this is gonna be like a random vlog for talking stuff because I don't know what to do, you know? Ain't that right, baby girl? Yep. I got some more cement on my kitties. The kitties back. Oh, yeah. Oh, she likes that. Oh, she likes that. Yep. So have you guys been waiting before for something? You know, leave in the comments below if you guys, waiting for something because I'm waiting and then it's supposed to be here today and it's not. So, sleepy vlog. That's what it is. Sleepy vlog. Yeah. Scratch that. Leave in the comments every time I yawned if I made you sleepy. I know CTFX did it, but I want to know too if it really works if you yawn. Ain't that right? Yep. I'm tired. So make sure you do that. Leave in the comments if I make you tired. My yawning vlog. But the best, like I said, that's the cool picture right there. And I'm just randoming. It's just really stupid. I'm probably going to be losing subscribers, but hey, you know, you're doing this for almost 2 years. This is the 5th. I got 15 days until 2 years straight without missing a day. So, yep. Make sure you guys follow me on my social sites, order from my t-shirt stores, rate, comment, subscribe to my channels, show some love for Jazzy and Salem and me and Daryl. And you have anything to say? Nope, I just want to lick myself. Okay, y'all. I'll see you guys when I see you later. Love y'all. Peace.